Another day, another vlog, am I right? Yeah, but this is what we're gonna be addressing today. It's a problem. And I think it's time I go get it cut, so let's go do that. What's gravy, little baby? Yo. Oh, I almost just died.
Touch it and it just opens.
Yo, squat up, am I right?
Exact.
On, get in this.
What up, my peeps?
Haircut time, I heard Dort's going bald.
Yeah, did that once.
Yeah.
Arn's going bald as well.
Peeps.
Don't, you can't cuss. I got a dolphin that
We're
now.
family friendly.
Yo, eating sausage in Germany part 2?
Yeah, buddy.
No, I'm just kidding. Arn, show the cut. No, the cut. Turn your head around.
Oh.
Boy. Yo, this is our church. It's kind of hard to see, but hold on. Ready? I'm gonna put y'all on some facts. Oh wait, none of y'all can read German. Nice.
Nice.
Now this church was made in 1140?
No.
You stupid.
No. No clue.
This is the city.
The city. By the way, this, who gave us this? The one pirate? No, the one pirate. I forgot his name. Dude, I forgot what his name was. He was like a really famous pirate. We just bought a book for our mom. We bought some candy for us. Some book, a random book for our mom. Oh, lit. Can we go in there? Are we allowed to go in there? This little thing? Let's not. It's actually kind of lit though. Big old chains. See, almost cussed. Caught myself. Keep it PG. Should we ding dong ditch run at people?
No,
No.
that's not.
We shouldn't incriminate ourselves by.
Well, there's a lot of elderly people here. It's just rude if you do it to elderly people. You're just being at that point.
Yeah.
Be
This-
gone, prankster.
In the little like town we're at, this is like the main little thing that. It's
this
kinda-
is literally showing the back view.
No, this like doesn't really show anything, but this is where all the like shops are and stuff. Pretty much the only real type of entertainment you'll get. So if you want to do any shopping, it's gonna be on this road, which is kind of nice though, because it's like if you're gonna buy something, you know it's on this road. So I'm gonna stop filming before people get their rights incriminated on. So yo, hey, we putting the news on the news. Hey. We in this. Yo, say what's up. Y'all in the back. Yo. News on the news. Don't play me, bro.
On the news.
Yo, hey, I'm on the news, bro. I'm on the news. Oh, no, he's putting it down, dude. No. He saw me. He saw my plan. No,
I'm
dude.
not playing with you, bud.
Dude, I hired the guy in red. He's like, no, put it down. Cause I pulled up and I whipped on it. I don't think they're a fan of me.
He's just like, nah, bro, I ain't doing it. Not a part of this.
He's like, I'm not giving this stupid idiot publicity. Yo, I'm on the news. I'm on the news. I'm on the news.
Dude, what are the odds you just take the camera and take the camera and just run?
Just tip. Oh, that's terrible.
It's a little funny though.
That'd be sick. I I wish they would have interviewed me, bro. I like turtles.
I like turtles.
I look turtles.
Dude, that'd be so great. And this
Fine.
is the sea, boys. I need to show you guys something. Tell me if you are or are not jealous right now. Smoked bacon. Arndt, hey, we're definitely doing a taste test of these as soon as we get home.
Okay.
Cause
Pick up these bad boys.
these look sick. Actually, why don't we do a German taste test of some snacks? Ooh. Yo, content. I'm gonna choose out like a certain amount of things and then we're gonna do a taste test as soon as we get home, okay?
Boom.
This is gonna be banging. Okay, so we have 3 flavors. Currywurst, cheese and onion, and smoked bacon. I think we'll try this one. Let's open this one first. No, I feel like we should open this one first because it's the most like normal.
Alright.
Cheese and onion
Here we go.
from Lawrence.
Let's get it. Let me get a big one.
Doesn't matter. Alright, ready?
This reminds me of sour cream and onion.
Nah. I feel like they just taste like a little bit more. They're like not salty, regular chips. Like I taste cheese a little bit.
I really taste the onion.
Yeah, I don't taste onion at all. Kind of just cheese. Not bad though. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy them.
Put these over here for safekeeping.
You best believe we're gonna finish these after the video.
Alright. Currywurst.
Yeah, it's like sausage pretty much.
Yeah.
And like a special kind of sauce. They smell good. Actually,
smell
they
it,
they
yeah.
smell like exactly like it actually. These actually taste like it.
Yeah, they're
That's
pretty
crazy.
close.
Kind of just imagine like paprika
Yeah.
fish. That's pretty much. It's like kind of paprika with like. How would you describe it?
Chili sauce. It's kind of like
It's not-
that
yeah.
sweet.
Yeah, it's like a sweet, like not tangy though. It's kind of just sweet.
Yeah. It's good though. These aren't bad.
I like those a lot better than I like those.
I'm hyped for the bacon ones though.
Dude, these as soon as I saw these in the store, I was like, yo, food review time. Never. I'm not Face Jeff. I don't do food reviews.
Nah. Shout out to our boy Face Jeff, the real MVP.
Dude, I swear, it's crazy because we've been watching that man for so long.
Yeah, I remember the
Dude, that does
the
smell like
Impossible
bacon,
game. Ooh, that
That actually
smells
smells
spicy
good. That
right
smells
there.
good,
That's
bro. That smells good.
gonna be
I'm
good as fuck.
expecting so much from these. So if these suck, especially because they're from Lay's, dude.
It'll be a little disappointing. Yeah.
Alright.
Ooh, some fair taste of bacon on these. Yeah.
I can definitely taste the bacon.
Now, which one do you think would be your favorite?
I would say this one is the most accurate. This one, the currywurst, is the most accurate. This one I would say is the least accurate
Yeah.
because there's like no onion at all. It's just cheese. I don't know. I kind of like these the best to be honest. Because who the hell eats bacon chips? Cool concept, but I wouldn't. Like I buy them to try them, but not because I like them. You know. You like those the best? Which ones?
I'm comparing them right now.
Yeah. Like, I definitely feel like these are the most accurate.
Yeah.
I like these the best. Like, they're good.
I feel like the bacon flavor's there, but it's not as strong.
Yeah. That's kind of why
It's
I
the
said
color
this.
both is not one.
That's what I'm saying.
So. And these are just
Those are just cheese.
cheese. But you know who doesn't love cheese, so.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know, man. This one's not bad. I just feel like the flavor in these is so much more intensive. You know what I mean?
I'll eat these, bro. I'll sit down and watch a YouTube video and munch on these. Alright. Word. So which one's your favorite? Those?
I don't know. It's between these two, to be honest with you.
I mean, they're both good, but I think this one, I like that one.
I think this one just has a little bit more flavor than that one. A little bit more flavor.
Dude, but the
potential.
bag looks so interesting too. It's like, I don't know. I just think it looks cool. As soon as I saw Lay's and like not some off-brand, I was like, yo, they have to be good, right? And I'm surprised because they're better than I expected. I just like those ones.
There you go.
You want those?
Yeah, I'll take them.
See?
Actually, we'll make a fair trade. You get the good one, I get the 2 brown ones.
Uh-oh. I'm not giving you 2. Dude, this guy's trying to rob me.
What? Because I didn't like this one.
Final thoughts? You never gave a favorite. This is my favorite, second favorite.
I think it's a close
Favorite.
tie between these, but I like bacon, so I might just go with these because
Word.
bacon. So
Okay. Alright, that was it for my first ever Face Jam food review.